need to get my goggles. Hi, my name's Benny. We're gonna make French fries macaroons. French fry macaroons. Just kidding. We're gonna make French fry macaroons. And we're gonna make French macaroons. But these eggs right here. We're going to separate eggs, but I need some help with this. Mimi's gonna let me separate one egg. Get one?
Use the separator right here. Oops. Okay. Okay, so maybe that didn't work, hey?
No.
No, that's okay. That's okay.
Good thing I let Mimi separate the eggs. We're gonna make a ring making egg whites. Egg whites? Here. Looking great. With that little color. How do we do it?
Just squeeze it. Hang on, squeeze it.
Oh, it's beautiful. We're going to sift the flour and almonds together. Now, this part. That's pretty happy. Now, these ones. A pinch aside. We're going to sift the ingredients together. We're going to mix the flour mixture into the eggs. And then stir it 50 times. We need to stir it till it looks like ribbons. See? Ribbons. Now piping big.
Can you count like Mimi did?
1. Now I just leave them for an hour. I think we need to form a skin on top. Now we're going to tap them to get the air bubbles out. They're done. They look great. Look at those feet. We've been baking up a storm. Now it's time to ice the French macaroon. Just put a dab of ice in the middle. Looks like a funny one. Magnifique. We're going to make creme brulee with fire next time. Now the dangerous plan. Please subscribe for my next video. Thanks for watching Baking with Benny.